banding. Adru, mommy. We're going to the beach. No beach. We're going to Corniche, and we'll see the boat. We're going to the boat.
Before I was going in the boat, I take pictures. Go in Daddy's office for that. Look, Nanny, that's Daddy's office.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Yeah, it's so near.
Yeah, I can see
It's
it
just-
anywhere.
Oh, there is a boat.
I can see it in the van. I can see it in the car.
Yeah.
I see it in Ocean Kids van.
Ocean Kids also.
Yeah. Ocean Kids, I am driving van. That.
Yeah.
And it's
Food
very
in-
far.
You are riding the boat with by the water like a sea.
Mommy, are you down in the time?
What the?
Are you down in the boat? Or are you not in the boat?
Oh, I'm not in the boat that time. I am.
Yeah, because I'm big. When I'm 3 old, I started talking.
Yeah. Wow, there is a parking.
When I was
Guys, nagbanding kami ng alaga ko. Tsaka ng mami niya. Andrew. Adro, you're a special passenger, I think. You see, I can smell the blah.
Are we just filming, Mommy?
Yeah. Adro. Cheers, cheers. Cheers. Wow.
Good.
Enjoy the boat time. Adro, look at here. 1 second. Hi. Bising-bising ako sa pantantin niya. Naglaruan na ko yan.
You were singing, Daddy. You were happy.
Don't shout. Other people will be happy between us.
She's happy. What are you doing? Blue? What is that? Blue? What is that? Oopsie.
What?
Uwi na kami. Father, you will fall down. You need to hold to mommy. Hold.
Thank you, brother.
Like a baby.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Enjoy the boat time.
Andrew, look at here. 1 second. Hi. Busy ko sa pantantin niya.
Are we just filming, Mommy?
Yeah.
Andrew. Kaya pala ang init, guys. 38. Ayan, yung mga kasama namin, mga magaganda. Ayan ang aking model. Pero sa lahat ng model ng photography na marunong. Ayan. Say hi. See you. May Instagram kayo? Diyan tayo ibababa. Asa daw tayo? Ano ga? Dili nga. Okay. Okay, malapit man lang to sa Palace, di ba? Sheikh Palace. Kana gani Marina Mall. Marina Mall sa gitna. 3 beses ako napasok dyan sa mall na yan. Very nice. Beautiful. Uy, uy. Smile. Smile. I said to mommy. I said to mommy and daddy. We're going to drawing class and dancing and singing. Say hi, Hanisha. How are you?
I'm playing.
I'm playing everything. Okay.
I'm going to play in school.
You need to do Hanisha 2 times. Hadro say you Hanisha, Hanisha. She miss Hanisha. Uy, look, show your Adru. Baby, show your dress. Come on, show. Hanisha also always wearing like this dress, Indian dress. Come on, faster. Adru.